In this video, we back up our hard drive and create a recovery environment on a USB stick. We start by downloading the rescue software Paragon Backup Recovery 17 Community. As usual, we will find the link in the description. Once we have opened it, we click on the free download button, which takes us to the bottom of the page. Click on Download and wait until the download is complete. Now go to the download directory and install the Paragon software. Once the installation is complete, open the software by entering the first letters of Paragon in the search bar and opening it via the Start menu. Once the software has been started, we create a USB stick with a rescue environment by clicking on the cogwheel at the bottom left, and then selecting the rescue disk configurator. In the right-hand window, a selection appears asking how we want to create the rescue disk. We select Use this Windows image and click the Next button. Now connect the smallest possible USB stick to the computer. 1 GB of memory is usually sufficient here. If there is any important data on it, we move it first, as all data on the USB stick will be deleted. The USB drive is now displayed in the software. We select it, press the Next button and confirm our selection with Yes. Press the Next button again. This process may take a few minutes. The program writes rescue software to the USB stick, which we can use to restart our PC in an emergency and restore Windows. Once the stick has been successfully created, we remove it from the PC and store it in a safe place. Select the three bars on the left-hand side and click on Backup and Recovery. Paragon now checks all connected drives. This process may take a moment. In the right-hand window, we select the Backup Source button. In the following list, we select disks/drives. All drives that are connected to our PC are displayed. In the list, we look for our hard disk on which Windows is installed. We need to pay attention to the following point. Click on the name of the hard drive. In my example, Kingston SFYRS 500G. The orange frame must be drawn around the entire hard drive. The text at the bottom left corner of the window should be Selected 1 hard drive, the total size of the hard drive in gigabytes and the amount of space used. Please do not carry out the following point. I will briefly show you here what happens if we accidentally click on only one of the bars within the hard disk. Now the parts of the hard drive are outlined in orange, and Paragon reports that it has automatically selected further parts. In this case, Paragon has recognized that we probably want to back up more partitions. However, it is possible that Paragon does not recognize these, and we are only backing up part of our hard drive, which is not our goal. We therefore check whether the orange frame around the entire hard drive is displayed, and confirm our selection with OK. Back in the main view, we click on the Destination Location button. In this selection, we determine where our backup should be saved. I recommend using an external hard drive that is at least the size of our internal Windows hard drive. It is important to ensure that there is enough free space on the destination. The size column shows the total size of the hard drive and the free space directly behind it. In my example, I saved the backup on an internal hard drive called Backup. So we select our destination and confirm the selection with OK. All the required data has been entered. Please note that the next step can take 15 minutes or longer, depending on the amount of data. During this time, we should leave the computer to write the backup in peace, otherwise it will only take longer. Start the backup with the Backup Now button and wait until Paragon is finished. As soon as the process has been successfully completed, a new directory is created on the destination hard drive with today's date as the folder name. Summary: we have written a rescue environment to a USB stick and created a complete backup of our Windows hard drive. Thank you for your attention. In the next video, we will create the USB stick for Linux, as well as an optional USB stick for Windows 10.